what's up, madlang people? Ay, what's up, mga kamoma? What's up? What's up? What's up? So, at this moment, dahil pagod nga yung katawang lupa ng inyong moma, so ngayon, meron tayong driver. My driver is my nampion. Nampion means husband. Husband eh. Driver eh. Medya eh. Medya oh. Diba? Yan eh. Dahan-dahan tayo magsalita ng Korean. Hindi kailangan pas-pas. Kailangan tapos Korean na at the Pilipinas. So ngayon, I ask my nampion. Nampion means husband. I asked my nampion to drive a car because your mama is already exhausted, already a little bit damaged. Damaged not because of he used me, due to my brain drainage. Nag-ano na siya ba? Anong tawag dyan? Maapaw na. So that's why I don't have any energy to drive. So I asked ni Nampion to drive for me. Drive carefully. Okay? 천천히 driving.
알겠습니다.
Okay. So look at my driver. Gwapo ba ang driver natin, mga kapatid? Ingon nila, basta driver, sweet lover. Oh. You know what gwapo apa?
Guapa, handsome, pretty.
Guapa is pretty. Diba marunong na din siya. Apano, also what is the meaning of guwapo and guwapa? Pag guwapo means
Slow down.
Pangit.
Pedestrian crossing.
Guwapo means handsome. Maganda means yepuda. Guwapa, maganda. Pangit means that way. Pangit means op. Ay, pastilan. Gani mga motor ba, no? Kalit lang na sila. What a busy day. So, you know why Appa, he drive for me. Because yesterday, me and Uncle Fifi, we buy for him a tanduay. Tanduay is the favorite drink of Appa. And Appa, he'll do a tutorial, tanduay tutorial, how to drink tanduay properly.
No?
How to drink. Drink, eat, drink.
Big or soup, did tandoor.
Appa, there's a lot of followers, they told me that they are worried about your health because you are drink tanduay every day.
Hi, smart little bit.
What can you say? What is your response for them?
Regular, the same quantity, the regular drink, so no problem.
No
Not
problem.
much one time.
Okay. But
I never get drink.
what can you say about the Filipino who drink tanduay every day, especially to our mountain neighbor?
Not eat food, only the tandoor and the water only. So stomach problem,
Stomach
big
problem.
damage.
Okay.
Protection, the stomach inside.
Yes, and
So
and after they drink tanduay, they do
Big.
some arguments and then fighting
you're drink.
because their stomach is hungry. No pulutan.
Very strong, the liquor, tandoor, strong. So it is protection.
So,
Soup
yeah.
or meat.
So yan,
Must
alam nyo na.
together meat.
Si Appa, hindi talaga yan iinom ng tanduay kapag wala talaga siyang pulutan. At the same time, kahit ano ginagawa niyang pulutan. So Appa can drink tanduay with sweet potato, with tomato in Korean, tomato. Yeah. Kaigit-igit lagi. Pero so far, wala man siya giigit. Pero kanaran
Anyway,
yun,
to-
makautot-utot lang yun siya.
Don't worry about health. Just worry about money.
Okay. We worried about money. Tama, bitaw.
Tanduay was very cheap.
What cheap? But if you don't have money, you can't buy tanduay.
So worried about money only.
Of course.
No need
So we make a lot of money.
health.
What?
Next
Don't
year,
worry about health.
the next year guys, they get drink and fighting with the collapse. Not eat food, only water and 2 bottle, 3 bottle, 4 bottle, one time, same place. Hindi nearly patay. Become dog. Ish,
Kamang-kamang.
4 leg, using 4 leg. Sleep, straight,
O, diba? Narinig mo yan?
shouting, barking.
Barking like a dog. Buangoy. Yan.
Anyway, too much drink, tanduay, become dog. One time, too much drink. Never.
Before kasi meron talagang umihi sa sofa namin dahil sa sobrang kalasingan, pero hindi ko na yun i-mention, no, sa amin lang yun. Ba't ko naman sasabihin? Kaya tingnan nyo, ilang taon na nakalipas, hindi niya pa rin nakalimutan. Ganyan yung memory niya pa. Ako nakalimutan ko na, ha, hindi ko na naalala, pero yun pinaalala niya sa akin, di ba? So yan, mukhang maganda yung mood ng apa natin today. Dahil syempre, nakabili ako ng tanduay kahapon. So yun lang naman yung kaligayahan niya. So, at this moment, kami na ay magba-bye-bye. So, okay, so butong skip ng ads. And thanks for watching, mga kamoma. Say bye, apa.
Already finished.
No,